Welcome to the Abhayaranyam Eco-Tourism, Kaprikkad, located about 50 kilometers from Kochi city, in the Ernakulam district of Kerala. Abhayaranyam is a nature rehabilitation center for orphaned wildlife, and a picturesque destination that welcomes hordes of tourists every year. During our visit to Abhayaranyam Eco-Tourism, we walked from the parking lot towards the entrance, where we bought the entry tickets and camera pass. After purchasing our tickets, we entered the butterfly garden, but unfortunately, we didn't see any butterflies at that time. We walked along the stone-paved walkway inside the forest for a few hundred meters until we saw the archboard of Kaprikkad Mini Zoo. As we entered the mini zoo, the stone-paved walkway became wider, and the forest vegetation here was much taller and greener. Walking inside this forest was a delight, with natural sounds of the forest, including the singing of different varieties of birds. As we walked further, we reached the first deer enclosure on our left, where a group of spotted deer were sheltered. Then we saw the second enclosure on the left, where we also saw a large group of spotted deer. Between the left and right side deer enclosures, in the middle of the walkway, we saw a bunch of bamboo trees that gave cool shades to the visitors. There were some benches provided in these shades for visitors to take rest and relax. We also saw a small hut made out of bamboo sticks and leaves with benches inside where you could relax and take good photos. On the right-hand side, there was a large enclosure with deep trenches on one side, where a large group of Sambar deer were sheltered. All adult Sambar deer were very large in size, relaxing in the shade of the forest trees. Further along the stone-paved walkway, it ended and gave way to a sand-paved road that led us to the Kaprikkad Elephant Training Center situated inside the Abhayaranyam premises. This center is run by the Kerala Forest Department and serves as a rehabilitation center for elephants. Here we saw about 6 to 7 elephant shelters, each housing an elephant. The Kaprikkad Elephant Training Center is home to several elephants, including tuskers like Neelakandan and Chandru, as well as cow elephants like Sunitha, Anjana, Asha, and Parvathi. At the center, the elephants are trained and cared for by experienced mahouts who develop a strong bond with the animals. The center also serves as a tourist attraction and visitors can witness the elephants being bathed and fed. However, it is important to note that the welfare of the elephants is the top priority and they are not used for any commercial purposes. At the Kaprikkad Elephant Training Center, there were also some benches provided for visitors to rest and relax while watching the playful jumbos. We walked further down into the forest area on the sand-paved road, enjoying the wilderness. There, we saw a newly constructed cage made of eucalyptus tree wood for the wild tusker Arakomban, who has been terrorizing the higher ranges of the Idukki district. He poses a regular threat to the people of Santhanpara and Chinnakanal Panchayats by destroying houses and shops, and endangering their lives. On our return journey, we passed through another wild walkway inside a red sandalwood tree forest that led us to the bank of serene Periyar River. Here we saw a big granite rock placed like a table in this forest and large swings attached to trees that could accommodate adults. I hope you enjoyed this video of Abhayaranyam Eco-Tourism from my latest visit, and invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Kerala Epics, for more travel videos. Thank you for watching.